Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to do an unboxing of my papergang box. This is the October papergang box. I got it for my birthday and honestly this is the most me box. I have already unboxed it and looked at it, but I want to make a video to show you guys in case you're looking into buying this subscription box. Right now, for my birthday, I got 3 months of this, so I do not have a full subscription, but I want to show you the ones I get so that it can help you make a decision of whether you want to get it or not. So the reason I chose this box to get was because it had the least amount of products, so I'm not just getting a ton of stuff and I don't know if I'm going to like it or not, and then I end up with a ton of crap. And also, it's the most eco-friendly box. It ships in this. Literally, the label is on the back. And normally you could make something out of the box, so I really appreciated that. There's very little waste to this box. So this month, papergang teamed up with Blurt, which is a foundation for depression. It says, for every box sold, £1 will go towards increasing awareness and understanding of depression. So yes, this is in pounds. I live in the United States, and that's another thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it now. This is the package. There was nothing to make the box, to make into the box. So I was kind of like looking forward to see how that works, but there's nothing for this one. And I really love the outside. So here it's just orange tissue, and here's everything I got in the box. So starting out, I got 4 pens. They all say "Oh dear" for the brand, so I guess they made their own pens, but I love the color selection. Literally, this box was made for me. The colors they gave me are just amazing. I got a pink, a blue, or like a teal kind of thing, a yellow, and a bright orange. So it has a normal nib, and then it has a brush nib, which is so great. Who doesn't love a brush nib? Because even if you're not doing calligraphy, they are fun to write with. So real quickly, I want to test out these markers for you. Ooh, I actually like how that orange is not as neon as I thought it would be. There you go. And these are the colors. Love that. The next thing is postcards, and these are beautiful. So it just has this little binding to it, but it comes with 6 postcards. They're so cute. It says scratch and reveal on them. So you scratch off this like goldish part to it, and I really want to know what's under it. I'm like kind of afraid to scratch it off because I feel like I want to ruin it. But yeah, they're different shapes, and it's definitely my color scheme. I just want to frame it and put it in my room. So maybe we try to scratch off this one because this one's pretty plain. I need a coin. Let me find a coin. Whew. Okay, I'm back with a dime. Okay, I see. So it's just like a color underneath. Oh wait, kidding, there's a quote. Trust that beautiful things are coming. So I was just filming and it looks like I got cut off, so I'm gonna go back through a little bit. I got cut off where I was talking about the postcard. Basically, they have a little pamphlet talking about Blurt and this box and things like that. I wanted to give a shout out to the person who designed this box and like is responsible for like the artwork, and that is Melanie Johnson. And then they have their monthly spread, which this is something that they always have. And this is just so me. I love this so much. It's such my style. This box is perfect for me, and especially like this timing because they gave me a happiness planner and it's so cute. It's right up my alley. It's my style. In the inside it says something I'm gonna do for fun, positive things for today, a timetable to do, the date, notes, doodles, and tomorrow I'm looking forward to. This is just like the perfect spread, and it's the perfect timing. This is what I need right now. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Then they put in this like giant poster paper thing that you're supposed to color, and you can actually win 6 months free of a subscription, I guess by winning after coloring this. But it's the same quote that I scratched off, which is pretty funny because I just happened to scratch off that one. So yeah, that is the October box. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I helped you a little if you're thinking about getting this box. So that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.